Adam Shelton here, the captain, and I want to share with you an unboxing a portable charger for your mobile device. This is the box it looks like. It's called the Powerbank in use confident, and this is what the portable charger looks like. It's very easy to connect to. Look at the USB outlets. Look at that. And it comes with a cord, a USB cord. So all you have to do is take the cord, plug it in the back. Right now it's 80% charged, so I can charge this to my laptop, my computer, or even a wall charger to make sure this is actually charged up very well. Then I take my mobile device and I just plug it in. Look at this. Plug it in, boom. Plug it in. Look at that. 27% charge, and it still has 80% charge here. So this can be anywhere. You can take this to the beach, travel with, to the bus, even to the bathroom. Shh. She doesn't know, but you need to check this out. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain. This is a game changer because you don't no longer have to carry all those cords and wires everywhere. Just take the power bank, the USB cord, and your mobile device, and you're good to go. Click on the link below, learn more about it, and I'll see you on the next video.